Hey everyone, I'm back. Another small block Mopar on the stand here today, I guess tonight. This one here is going to Alan in Georgetown. It's a 408. It's got the Scat 1-98113 rotating assembly in it. Deep oil pan, high volume oil pump. It's got my favorite hydraulic roller cam in it, which is the 202-00713 LK. This one here is the Eddy air gap on it. Just to break it in, I got the 750 vacuum carb on it. And I'll put in the comments below, or the description below, what's all done to this engine. It's got trick flow heads on it, which is, I guess, a big point. And Alan said we're going to take this into the dyno February 11th, so we'll post that on to see how it does. And we put a comparable engine on here, I don't know, 3 months ago or so with the Speedmaster heads. So we'll just see how the trick flow compares to them, and we'll go from there. But let's start this up for Alan anyways. Idling kind of low. It's just 650, 700. So. I got one guy that asked me to run open headers, so I'm going to pull those mufflers on and we'll see what it sounds like. Okay, so I pulled the cherry bombs off. Let's start her with open headers. And there's Alan's 408. Thanks for watching, guys.